to compare two theories, social norms theory and we decided to compare social norms theory against guilt appeals theory. We decided to compare these two to determine which was more effective at motivating changes in the attitudes and behaviors amongst college students in regards to binge drinking and smoking. The hypothesis for our study suggests that using guilt appeals would be more effective amongst college students, just because of the emotional appeal that it creates amongst people when it goes to them. Whereas social norms uses information to present to people in order to persuade. And I'll pass it along to Erin for our theories.
Okay, the two theories that we used were the social norms theory and the guilt appeals. The theory that the LSU Health Center ads used was the social norms theory, and we altered the ads by using the guilt appeal instead of social norms theory. This theory states that the human behaviors are influenced by misperceptions of peers' attitudes and actions. This theory creates two societal norms, the perceived norm and the actual norm. The perceived norm is what it is that we think people do or believe, and the actual norm is what they actually do or believe. And the guilt appeal is an ideal emotion to manipulate in order to influence the social behaviors. Guilt appeals influence a person's behaviors or actions based on a feeling of remorse for a particular behavior that the person has taken part in. We applied the guilt appeal to our ads in hopes to motivate the participants to change their behaviors or attitudes and take action. And Caroline will tell you more about this theory.
Okay, we chose to do an experiment to measure which theory, the social norms theory or the guilt appeal, is more likely to motivate an individual. For our independent variables, we showed the participants 4 ads in the survey. 2 of the ads shown used the social norms theory, and the other 2 we redesigned and used the guilt appeals. For our dependent variable, we measured how motivated each participant was to process the message after looking at the different ads. And Karen will tell you more about the results.
Alright, to gain our results, we used a paired samples t-test to compare the mean of the guilt appeal ads with the mean of the social norms theory ads to see which advertisement approach produced higher motivation among participants. The test revealed that there is a significant difference between the means of the 2 ads. As you can see on the left, in our chart, on the left, the guilt appeal ads had a mean of 27.32 as compared with the social norms theory ads, which had a mean of 22.69. And so in this chart, we're measuring motivations. As you can see, there is a significant difference between those 2 means, the guilt being higher. These results supported our hypothesis that guilt appeal advertisements would have a greater effect on motivating participants than the social norms theory ads. And Ashley is going to tell you what these findings imply.
So our results are important because in order for an advertisement to be effective in changing behaviors, it must first be processed and understood by whoever's looking at it. So since students were more motivated to process the guilt appeal ads, we can imply that the guilt appeal ads would be more effective in changing behaviors. Also, as we've all seen the Student Health Center ads, they're very heavy in logic and text, and our guilt appeal ads were heavy in strong graphics. So we're also implying that ads that utilize strong images to convey a message can have a greater impact over logic and text. At the end of our experiment, there were a few things we would like to change. We would have liked to have more participants and a more diverse sample because we had a lot of females in our study. And we'd also like more time to pilot our questionnaire on a smaller sample before running the actual experiment. And that's it. Thanks, guys.